Hey guys, welcome to Knowledge Life. Today in this video we are going to design this simple machine part which is a bracket. So you can see in your screen this is the model that we are going to make in this video. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. So you can see here the by default unit is millimeter gram second, so let it be. I'll choose here front plane and go for the sketch, and I'll start here with the circle. I'll draw here one circle. I'll draw one more circle. Now I'll be giving the diameter for both the circles, so you can see here. So I'll give the diameter which is 72. Actually we'll trim this. If you want you can convert into radius also. The same way I'll be giving for this, which is 46. I'll change it from here itself. Go with the OK. Now I will select line and I'll start line from this point. Go like this, and just stop it over here. Now I will be giving here dimension which is 11. So give their dimension 11, and I will be giving the length like from this point to this, having the length is 114. Now you can see our sketch is getting fully defined. Now I need to go for the trim. I will trim this. I'll trim this portion and this portion. And I need to trim this also. Now you can see here our sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch and go for the extrude command. Click on the extrude boss base, and I'll choose here mid plane, and I'll be giving the extrude thickness which is 50. Just go with this OK. Now I will click on the fillet tools and click on the fillet. You can see I have selected here edge fillet, and I'll be selecting this edge and this edge, having the fillet radius 14. Just go with the OK. Now I'll choose your front plane, go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll just do here one convert entities. Then I will start here one line. So go like this, then convert into arc here like this, and just join it over here. Now I'll be giving the dimension from here to here. This dimension is 72. Just give the dimension here 72, and I'll be giving this radius which is radius 19. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. Now I will draw here one more circle inside, and I'll be giving the diameter 28. Now your sketch is getting fully defined, but I need to trim this portion. So go for the trim command and just trim this portion. Now exit from the sketcher, and again you need to go for the extrude boss base. And here also again I'll choose once again mid plane, and I'll be extruding this with the height thickness of 28. Go with this OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Now I need to do here one thing. I'll just select this font face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll do here this portion convert entities. Click on this convert entities and just draw a line like this, which is just horizontal is enough. Now you can see this line is horizontal. Now I need to give here one dimensions which is 30 from the base. So click on this dimension and go for the give the dimension this point and this line which is 30. Now I will trim the remaining portion. Click on this. I'll be trimming this and this. Now you can see here this is a closed sketch. Come out from the sketch and go for the extruded cut, and I'll be giving the extruded cut thickness 11 here. Just go with the OK. Now you can see I will do here one thing. It is like this. Same thing I need on other side also. So just go to the mirror. You can see here extruded cut was selected. Now you need to choose the symmetricity plane. Here font plane is the symmetricity plane. Click on this. OK. Now I'll just select this face and go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane. I'll draw here 2 circles. I'll draw 2 at a time and I will use selection contour feature. Let me define the position and diameter, and the position of this circle actually from here to here having the distance is 25. This center to this end having the dimensions 95. Now we need to define the diameter of this. So the outer one having the diameter of 16 and the inner one having the diameter of 12. Now you can see you can come out from the sketch, go for the extruded boss base. I'll just choose this. Instead of this, I'll go to the selection contour, clear this. I'll choose this outer one and I'll be giving the extruded height upward, which is 14 from the base itself. Go with the OK. Now I'll make this sketch visible, and once again I'll go for the extruded cut and I'll choose this inner circle and I will choose here through all both and just go with the OK. Now you can see here the sketch is like this, model is like this. You can hide the sketch right now and go for the fillet right now and just click on this face edge and give the fillet radius of 3 mm and just go with the OK. Now I will choose this face, click on this and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll draw here one center line first. I'll start from this point up to there. Now you can see that line is getting fully defined. Now I will go for the corner rectangle. I'll start from that edge and I'll make it like this. Give the dimension for this 12, and here also I'll be giving the dimension which is 12. Now I'll just do one thing. This line and this line having the relation symmetric, just go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined, and now come out from the sketch and go for the extruded cut. I'll be going for this through both and just go with the OK. Now if you want, you can change the background here for better appearance, and you can change this also, this mode. If you want to apply some appearance, you can apply some appearance also. So now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.